Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the steps of an econometric analysis. So first step is hypothesizing a causal relationship. And that you have to create hypothesis based on the observations. Now, I had mentioned this before also that it's on the discretion of researcher what it would be the dependent variable and independent variable. So based on observations around, researcher has to establish a causal relationship. For instance, they have to create this model like yi is equal to alpha plus beta xi. Now, if my y is the consumption and x is the income, so now when I am deciding which will be the causing factor, the direction has to be decided by researcher. मतलब कि income consumption cause कर रहा है या consumption income cause कर रहा है, ये hypothesis researcher को define करना है. So here for instance I have written yi here. If my y is consumption and x is income, it basically means that income is causing consumption. So this is the kind of hypothesis that we are making. Now my second step would be formulating a mathematical model. So we had already discussed this, that once we have hypothesized the relationship, we will create a mathematical model, right? And I had discussed this in my previous video about UI. So eventually first we create a mathematical model and then we add this UI element, which I had discussed in my previous video. So second step would be formulating a mathematical model. You can have an overview that first we create a mathematical model that is a plus bx, y is consumption, x is income, a and b, and this is alpha and beta, which is our population parameter and for which inferences will be drawn. And now we can put a limit to it that alpha is greater than 0 and beta is less than 1 or greater than 0. So this is all our hypothesis. And we add this u element, which is the stochastic error term, which captures the impact of omitted variables on consumption.